Vanderbilt University is shaking up the AI landscape with a bold new initiative that turns students into real-world problem solvers. Imagine a space where undergrads, grad students, and staff collaborate to tackle complex challenges using the latest AI tools. This is the vision behind the Enterprise AI and Computing Innovation Studio, launched in September 2025. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about coding or algorithms. It's about preparing students to navigate the ethical, economic, and practical dimensions of artificial intelligence in a rapidly evolving world. Housed under the Data Science Institute, DSI, and powered by a partnership between Vanderbilt University Information Technology, VUIT, and the Amplify Generative AI Innovation Center. The studio is more than a classroom. It's a hub for hands-on innovation. Students will dive into research projects spanning campus-wide issues, from optimizing university operations to advancing scientific discovery. Jesse Spencer-Smith, DSI's Interim Director and Chief Data Scientist, explains that the program is designed to equip students with both the technical skills and the critical thinking needed to leverage Vanderbilt's proprietary AI framework, Amplify. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a game changer, Spencer-Smith said. This studio gives students the chance to work with cutting-edge tools like AI-assisted coding and autonomous agents, transforming abstract concepts into tangible solutions. Once they complete foundational training, they'll join teams led by experienced peers or industry professionals to refine their skills. For first-year computer science and economics double major Anikait Rawat, the studio is a dream come true. When I heard about this, I felt like I'd struck gold, he shared. It shows Vanderbilt is serious about empowering students to shape AI's future, not just use it. For someone aiming to bridge tech and business strategy, this is the perfect launchpad. Rawat highlights how the program balances technical rigor with ethical and economic analysis, a combo he calls essential for responsible innovation. Meanwhile, biomedical engineering PhD candidate Yuling sees the studio as a bridge between AI and scientific discovery. Combining AI with biology excites me, she said. Industries already use deep learning to tackle biological puzzles, and this experience will let me apply those tools to biomedical challenges. It's the future, literally. But here's the part most people miss. This initiative isn't just for tech whizzes. Spencer-Smith emphasizes that anyone, regardless of major, can participate. Walk in with a project idea, or just listen to others brainstorm. We're building a community where curiosity thrives and AI's complexities feel less intimidating. And this is the part that might spark debate. Should universities prioritize ethical AI education as much as technical training? Rawat argues yes, but not everyone agrees. What's your take? Is balancing innovation with ethics the key to trustworthy AI, or does it slow progress? Share your thoughts below. To get involved, reach out to the Data Science Institute, attend workshops, or simply drop by. As Spencer-Smith puts it, AI moves fast, but you don't have to keep up alone. Take advantage of these resources. Your future in tech, science, or business might just begin here. Contributors: Katie Sasamoto-Karisu, 1928, and Savannah Walski, 1926, whose work blends journalism with a passion for music, sports, and all things dog-related.